Hey guys, welcome back to another CSS tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be talking about transitions, how to use them and why they're really useful. But I've actually spelled transitions wrong. Okay, there we go. So yeah, CSS transitions are a really easy way of just adding a bit of animation into your apps. So let me show you guys what I mean. Let's open up our style tags because we're going to be using CSS, and not selected. I want transitions, I believe. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you a really basic transition. So let's say we have something like a div. Alright, so let's just give us an ID of div1 like I usually do. Now div1, let's have it a width and height of 500 pixels, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to give it a background color of, say, let's just have like midnight blue. That's what its regular background color is going to be, but then when we hover over it, we can actually change its background color to something else. So let's change it to indigo. Actually no, that probably isn't too much of a change, so let's change it to Peru, sure. Okay, so we have our background color, and when we hover over it we actually change background color. So it's fine, but you know, it's a bit abrupt and it's like almost a bit shocking, if that's the right word. So you might want to have a background color to kind of ease yourself in to this animation. So not background color, transition, that's what I meant. So it's actually really simple to add a CSS transition. All we do is we add a CSS transition property in the main element, and then we can just set a time you want the transition to take. So now you'll notice when I go over this, it actually changes gradually, and it's actually interpolated, and you can change this to be faster like this, and you can see it's faster or slower. So that is very useful. But you'll notice that I actually didn't attach any background color or anything. So what this is going to do is actually animate every property. So if we were also to change the width of this to 1000 pixels, then it would also animate that. But let's say we didn't want to animate the width, we only wanted to animate the background color. So what I could do then is I could do transition 1000 milliseconds, and I could specify background color here. So now it's only going to animate the background color, and you can see the width doesn't change at all. So that's what you can do to limit it. And then another thing you can do with transitions is actually specify the animation curve. So if I just type ease, if I actually go here, you can see there's all of these different options: ease in, ease out, ease in, out, linear, and all of these things. So usually you're going to be using the ease ones, and they basically allow you to change the animation curve. If you've ever seen one, it's usually like this, or if it's the other way, it could be like this. I'm trying to make the shape with my mouse, but yeah, if we were to choose something like ease in, out, then you'll notice it gets gradually slower, and then gradually faster, and then gradually slower again. If we only choose ease in, then you can see it begins really slowly, and then it gradually gets faster. And let's do ease out, and you'll see it's fast, and then it starts getting slower towards the end. So it's a bit hard to notice here. I wonder if it'll be easier to notice if we make it too fun. Okay, yeah, so you can kind of see it here, but like you can see as we go it starts, and then it just slows down towards the end. So yeah, thanks for watching. Those were the basics of CSS animations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye. Oh, not CSS animations, CSS transitions. Animations are a different thing. But anyways, bye.